Protozoa, the microscopic marvels of life. Introduction. The world of microscopic organisms hides within it secrets of life and complexity beyond imagination. Among these minute creatures are the protozoa, or unicellular organisms, which represent one of the oldest and most widespread forms of life on Earth. Despite their minute size, protozoa play a crucial role in the balance of ecosystems and have a significant impact on human health. First, what are protozoa? Protozoa are unicellular organisms that belong to the kingdom Protista. Unlike bacteria, protozoa are eukaryotic, meaning their cells contain a defined nucleus and various organelles. These organisms live in a wide range of environments, from fresh and salt water to soil, and even inside the bodies of animals and humans. Their structures vary, but generally they are surrounded by a flexible membrane and move using flagella, cilia, or pseudopodia, which enable them to move and capture food. Second, discovery of protozoa. The discovery of protozoa dates back to the 17th century with the invention of the microscope. The Dutch scientist Antony van Leeuwenhoek was the first to observe them in drops of pond water, describing them as tiny animalcules. His discovery opened the door to a new world previously hidden from human vision, launching the scientific exploration of microbes and laying the foundation for microbiology. Third, types of protozoa. Protozoa are classified into several main groups based on their structure and movement methods. Amoeboids. These move using pseudopodia, false feet, like amoeba. Flagellates. They use one or more flagella for movement, such as Giardia and Trypanosoma. Ciliates, covered in tiny hair-like structures, cilia, such as Paramecium. Sporozoans do not move by themselves and usually live as parasites, such as Plasmodium, the cause of malaria. Each group has unique characteristics that enable it to adapt to specific environments and methods of survival. Fourth, characteristics of protozoa. Protozoa possess several distinctive characteristics, including unicellular structure. Despite being composed of only one cell, they perform all essential life functions: movement, nutrition, respiration, and reproduction. Reproduction. Most reproduce asexually by binary fission, while others have complex reproductive cycles involving sexual reproduction. Nutrition. Some are heterotrophic and ingest organic substances, while others are photosynthetic. Adaptability. They can survive in extreme environments, and some can form cysts to protect themselves under harsh conditions. Fifth, role of protozoa in the environment. Despite their small size, protozoa play a vital role in the composition. They help break down organic matter and recycle nutrients in aquatic and soil environments. Food chain. Protozoa form a primary link in the food chain that's serving as food for many micro and macroorganisms. Water purification. Some species consume bacteria and help naturally purify water. In addition to their ecological roles, protozoa are essential in scientific research, especially in studying cellular biology and genetic processes. Protozoa, the microscopic marvels of life. Part 6. The benefits of protozoa. While some people associate protozoa with diseases, it's important to recognize the many benefits these organisms provide in nature and even in scientific applications. Environmental balance. Protozoa help regulate bacterial populations in aquatic environments, preventing imbalances in ecosystems. Soil fertility. By feeding on bacteria and releasing nutrients, protozoa contribute to maintaining soil fertility and promoting healthy plant growth. Scientific research. Some protozoa, like Paramecium and Tetrahymena, are used in laboratories as model organisms to study cellular processes, reproduction, and the effects of various substances on living cells. Biotechnology and medicine. Protozoa offer insight into the mechanisms of diseases and immune responses, supporting the development of treatments and vaccines, especially for parasitic infections. Seventh, harmful protozoa and diseases. Despite their benefits, some protozoa are known for causing serious diseases in humans and animals. These pathogenic protozoa often live as parasites and transmit through contaminated water, insect bites, or contact with infected organisms. Among the most well-known protozoan diseases are malaria, caused by the Plasmodium parasite and transmitted by the bite of the Anopheles mosquito. It is one of the most widespread and deadly diseases in the world. Sleeping sickness, caused by Trypanosoma brucei, transmitted by the tsetse fly, and affects the central nervous system. Amoebic dysentery, caused by Entamoeba histolytica, which infects the intestines and may lead to severe diarrhea and intestinal complications. Giardiasis, a disease caused by Giardia lamblia, resulting from drinking contaminated water and causing digestive disorders. The existence of such protozoa reminds us of the need for constant vigilance in public health, personal hygiene, and water purification systems. 8. How protozoa are transmitted. Protozoa can be transmitted through multiple pathways, depending on their type and environment. Contaminated water. Many protozoa live in untreated or stagnant water and may enter the body through drinking or bathing. Insect vectors. Some protozoa rely on insects to complete their life cycle and reach the human host, such as mosquitoes and flies. Food and surfaces. Protozoan cysts can survive on surfaces, fruits, and vegetables and infect humans upon ingestion. Direct contact. In rare cases, certain protozoa can be transmitted through skin contact or bodily fluids. Understanding these pathways is essential to preventing infections and controlling the spread of disease. Conclusion. Protozoa may be among the smallest living beings, yet they possess astonishing diversity and importance. They have lived on Earth for millions of years and continue to play vital roles in environmental balance, scientific advancement, and even medical research. While some of them threaten health, others offer irreplaceable benefits that serve humanity and ecosystems alike. The study of protozoa reminds us that true power may lie not in size, but in the invisible complexity of life itself. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share it with your friends, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel to get our latest videos.